Hi, welcome back. This is the final segment of my conversation with Tina Ebanks of Studio 216. In this segment, we discuss a little more about her, why she enjoys designing wedding invitations, what is the shortest timeline she had to develop and create a wedding invitation suite, and if she has any insights beyond what we already discussed in the first two videos. So keep watching so you can get more helpful information. Hi, I'm Michelle Mays, your Chief Concierge of Luxury Wedding Planning in New York and owner of Renee Michelle Events. I created this channel to help brides and grooms navigate their wedding planning process stress-free. If this is your first time visiting my channel and watching one of my videos, be sure to click subscribe and the notification bell so you'll always know when new videos are posted. In this final segment, we get to learn more about Tina, why she enjoys designing wedding invitations, and she'll share some tips with you that go beyond the conversation we've had. So listen, enjoy, and here you go. As far as the difference, okay, anyone watching this will go, really, Michelle? It's an obvious difference, but working in the world of strictly email, and now we have all of these automated options, Zoom and everything else. Has that changed as far as the detail that you provide? Because when you have to read something, you have to be very detailed in how you describe. And when you're looking at something on camera, let's say, you may not have to be as detailed. Do you find that there's a difference in the detail that you provide?
Absolutely. I find that what would happen is before I would have to send out all the paper samples and everything, and so that my clients would be able to get an idea of how the paper feels and how the print methods work. I could not really explain that without them seeing it. But now if we're on a Zoom call and, they don't necessarily want to have, these samples in their hand, I can show them, the difference of the thickness in paper. I can show them the difference of the, this is what foil looks like, and this is what, letterpress looks like. And it's really nice to touch it. But at the same time, they can just pop into, a stationery store and feel what letterpress feels like if they wish to. But yeah, it does give a higher level of detail, and I don't have to explain as much. To, just be able to show those details is extremely helpful.
That's good. Yeah. I have to admit that Zoom and those things or these things have made it a lot easier to communicate. There's nothing lost in translation because there's nothing lost in translation. Tina, thank you so much. Before we close out, I still have a couple of questions, but they're about you right now. How will a viewer get in touch with you to find out more about what you offer?
So my website is actually the best place to find me, as I have a sample gallery of my work on there, and of course my contact information. So my website is studio216.com. That's spelled out, no numbers. So it's studio, TWOSIXTEEN.com, studio216.com.
Awesome. Before we close out, any added information or nuggets of wisdom that you would like to share with us?
Yes, I'd like to encourage the couples to hire vendors that they really connect with, starting with their wedding planner. They'll take really great care of all the details, help you to find all the other wedding vendors that best suit you and your personal style. Additionally, a good stationer will help you to choose the best wording for your invitation and your invitation style, address envelopes, and so much more, so as to avoid any faux pas, and also to help you navigate like sticky family dynamics as well. It's so worth it to have professionals who can take care of everything, leaving you to enjoy your special day and be able to look back on it and not think about how stressful a process it was, but how beautiful and enjoyable. It's truly worth it.
Yes, I could not say it any better. Having vendors and suppliers that you connect with is what it's all about. It is a journey. It is stressful, but my motto is making it stress free. Nothing is completely stress free. We know that, but there are ways to make it. The other word I use is stress less stress.
Yes,
So like you said, Tina,
exactly.
you can look back and remember how much fun it was versus how many times you went home and took a Tylenol.
Exactly. Absolutely, Michelle.
Tina, thank you so, so much for taking time out to share your knowledge with us.
Oh, it was my pleasure. Thank you so much. And I hope we can do this again sometime soon.
I hope so also. Thank you again.
Bye now.
I am hopeful that the information Tina shared with me during our conversation has given you the confidence and the foundation to move forward with selecting and designing your wedding invitation suite. If you have any questions, be sure to comment below. Remember, click subscribe and the notification bell so you'll know when the next helpful video is posted. And share this video with other brides and grooms planning their wedding. Now, if you happen to have missed the second installment, which appeared last week, of my conversation with Tina, click the frame popping up now. And I will see you in my next video.